Okay, kiddos, so this is the acceleration practice problems assignment. This is what I want you to do. I want a brief sketch. I want a list of knowns and unknowns. I want the original formula rearranged if need be. I want the plug and chug. Plug it into your calculator, chug it through, plug it into the formula, chug it through your calculator. The answer, and I want units on everything. So I'm going to do number 1 with you. Then you are on your own. So a roller coaster rapidly picks up speed as it rolls down a slope. As it starts down the slope, its speed is 4 meters per second. That is my first velocity because the first time I see it, that's what it's doing. My time is 3 seconds. At the bottom of the slope, its speed is 22 meters per second. That is my V2 because the second time I see this thing, that's its speed. Average acceleration is my question. So my graph is going to be a velocity time graph. It's going forward, so I only need the positive quadrant. I know my speed goes from 4 to 22 in 3 seconds. I want to know my acceleration, which is the slope. I want now my original formula, which is A equals V2 minus V1 over T. This does not need to be rearranged because I'm solving for acceleration. V2 is 22, keeping units, meters per second, minus 4 meters per second, divided by a time of 3 seconds. This gives me, I don't know, what does this give me? 22 minus 4 divided by 3, 18 divided by 3 is 6. Now my units, right here they are, meters per second over second. So meters per second, each second is going to be my acceleration. Now let's talk about that unit because it's funky. So what it really is meters per second per second. So mathematically, let's simplify this. This is meters per second divided by seconds. Ooh, wow, there we're dividing a fraction. Meters per second times, flip the inverse thingy there and put this upside down. Now I have 1 over seconds, which is meters per second squared. So if you see meters per second squared, that is talking about an acceleration. Now, if you are confident, I want you to start at the challenge ones and, sorry, Cricket, make you seasick there. If you are confident, start with the challenges and work to the front. Have a good day. Behave for me.